Hi guys, and welcome to my Worldremit review. In this video we are going to be going behind the scenes and taking a look inside the members area. I'll show you how you can set up your own free account and walk you through everything you need to know to make your first money transfer. I'm also going to show you how you can get your hands on some amazing offers like zero fee money transfers and £20 back when you use Worldremit to send money abroad. Okay guys, so let's not delay any further. Let's jump straight in now and set up a free account. To do that, you're going to want to head over to the Worldremit homepage. I've left a link down in the description below this video. And once you're here, you're going to head on to the top right where it says sign up. And this is going to request all your details. It's very simple. First off, the country that you are sending money from. Okay, so this is not the receiving end. This is where you are now and not where you want to send money to. Next, you're going to fill in your name. As I said before, I already have an account, so it's going to pre-populate these fields for me. Your second name, email address. I would keep this primary email address, just so if they need to get hold of you or send you receipts for your transactions, that they will get through. Next, choose yourself a rememberable password. And then if you look just below, you've got the option here to enter in a referral code. You just click on this little side slider bar to the right and paste your code in there. Okay, I'm going to give you this code towards the end of the video. This is the code that will allow you to get £20 back when sending money via Worldremit. Then just, as I already have an account, I'm going to head on back to the home page and click on login here. Just enter my login details. And boom, we're on the inside, just like that. The first thing you're going to notice is that it's a nice user-friendly clean interface. Very simple. If you want to send some money, you just head on down here. From the drop down menu, you'd select the country that you wish to send money to. I believe there's 150 different countries here, guys, that you can send money to. I'm just going to select the Philippines, and hit get started button to continue. But before I do that, I just want to show you a couple of the other menus. Up here on the right, under my account, you've got the refer a friend feature. This is where you can give somebody a referral link to sign up. You've got my transactions. Now this is where, once you've sent some money with Worldremit, your transactions will show here in your history. You can see I've made some transactions here, and you would simply just click on one of those transactions, and on the left hand side it's going to allow you to track your transaction. I don't really use this too often because my transactions normally go through in about 5 to 10 minutes. It can take a bit longer, but that's the usual time it takes for me to do a bank deposit. If you do need to look further back for a transaction, you can just use the little calendar bar at the top, select your dates, press find, and more transactions shall appear. Then if you go back through my account, you've got my details. That is literally your contact information, your bank account information, your address, so you can edit and update those there. My Cyprians, that's the accounts of the persons that you're sending the money to, so you can add them here, same as my details, or you can just add them when you're going through the sending money process. It probably works out a bit easier that way. Next, you've got the settings menu. Settings menu will allow you to enter your phone number, etc., that you wish to receive your confirmation on. I believe you can choose SMS, Messenger, or email address. Then, obviously, you can log out. We don't want to do that at the moment. We want to go back and send some money. So, heading back to the home screen, I have my country selected, the Philippines. I'll press get started. Next is going to take us to this page where the menu on the right hand side will show you you're sending money to your selected country. You then get to decide how you wish to send or how you wish the money to be received. So you have the bank deposit, obviously sending money directly into their bank account. A cash collection, you can actually have it sent to a property or an address with like a bank or something similar to a Western Union pickup point where they can collect the cash. Mobile money transfer, so if you're sending to somebody who maybe has a Gcash account on their mobile phone, you can top that up here. Worldremit wallet, which is something very similar actually to the mobile money transfer. It's basically Worldremit's own version of a wallet that you'll send the money to, and then that receiver can decide if they wish to send it to their bank deposit, if they want to do a cash pickup, send it on to another recipient, or top up their airtime, something like that. So it's a bit of a universal account, if you like. And then you have their airtime where you can top up friend or loved ones, text, minutes, data allowance, and they can continue using their mobile phone. The one I mainly use is bank deposit. That's the one I'll be using today. Next, I'll get to select the network that the bank works with. So again, I think this is going to be different depending on the country that you're sending money to. But for the Philippines, I know this account is DBO Filipino account. Then you get to choose if you how you wish to calculate your money, whether it be the amount received or the amount sent. I'm going to go with amount sent. British pounds. I'll put in £100. Then it will give you a drop down menu basically outlining your fees and charges, the exchange rate down the bottom here. So you can see I'm going to send £100. The fees £2.99. The exchange rate today is 67.2 and 6,729 pesos shall be received. Now, I can't take advantage of this because I've used my account many times, but as you can see up here, there's a couple of promotions Worldremit are running at the moment, and one of them is a free promo code. So basically, if you use this promotional code, you will receive free 0 fee money transfers. Okay, so I'll put this promotional code down in the description underneath the video. Just go there and you can copy it and paste it in when you're making your transaction to get the discount. Next, I'm going to press send. This will take us through to the recipient's details. Before I put them in, I'm just going to point out here where it says enter promo code. If you press the little plus button, this is where you're going to paste in your free fee coupon code, and then you'll see the fee has been discounted. Right, now if this is your first time sending money abroad and you haven't yet set up a recipient account, this is where you'll do this now. You're going to need their name, their address, their contact details. Okay, that's a mobile number or phone number and email address, and you're also going to need all of their bank details. All right, so account number, sort code, address, and obviously the name of the account. Now I have already got mine set up, so I'm going to select a recipient. This will auto populate the details for me, so you don't need to re-enter this every time you send money. Okay, it does save it, but again, for your first time, this is where you're going to put in the country the bank account is set up in, the branch. Well, you might not need the branch, but you definitely need to know the bank name, the account number, the name and details of the person whose account it is, their address, contact information. Then you go down to the bottom, select reason of sending. I'm just going to keep it on family and friend support, and press next. Okay, so nearly done. This is your payments page. This is where you get to choose how you wish to pay. You can choose your debit card, credit card, or soffit banking. To be honest, I've never used soffit banking. I've always gone with the debit card or credit card. So I can't really comment on the soffit banking, but I've never had any problems using a card of any sort. So I'll tick for debit card and press continue or next. Next, I'm going to put in your card details, your card holder's name, expiry date, and the 3-digit number on the back of the card. And if we hit pay now, we'll then go through your bank account or internet checks. This usually just takes a couple of seconds before it comes back with confirmation code and receipt that the money has been sent. And then of course, if you want to track your transaction, as I showed you before, you go back to the My Account options, Transactions, select the transaction you're tracking, and it will give you the progress bar on the left hand side. I don't normally use the tracking option, to be honest. My money is usually transferred over within 5 minutes, and I will get a text message on my phone confirming that. So I don't ever really need to go back and track it. It's there very quickly. Now, one other thing I do want to point out, if you have any questions, you can come up here to the help menu. There is a help menu on all of the pages, but you can come back up here and you're going to have a list of all the most popular questions and answers that people get in touch with support and ask. I have actually been in contact with support very recently. I got myself in a bit of a muddle when setting up a new account, a new receiver account, and I put in some of the details wrong, and the account or the money just went through and it was stuck in progress for a couple of days. So I decided to contact support and asked them basically what had gone wrong. Very, very, very good service. She looked straight in my account, told me exactly what I'd done wrong, put in the wrong account information. The money was basically in limbo, and they got it back to me within 24 hours. Honestly, I couldn't have asked for anything better. And so there you have it, guys. That was my Worldremit review. The whole process from signing up to adding all your details and making your first money transfer using Worldremit will probably take you no longer than 5 minutes. It's cheap, it's simple, and that's why I give Worldremit my 5 out of 5 star rating. I hope this video has in some way helped and been informative. If you did like the video, please give us a thumbs up, or feel free to leave a comment in the box below. And as promised, my thank you bonus to you for sticking around to the end of the video. The £20 money back bonus comes in the form of a coupon code, okay? And this coupon code you can only get by direct invite from an existing member, okay? So it's usually reserved for friends and family. But as promised, you can get your coupon. I've copied and pasted that in the description of this video below. If you just go there, and the coupon code should look something like this. If you just copy that, and then when you're signing up to your new account, and you I need to log out. When you're signing up to your new account and you're going through the sign up details, this is where you would add your coupon link. Is just beneath the bottom with the little slider bar on the right. Okay, so you just paste that in there, and then when you sign up using that link, or you will receive an email back from Worldremit with your £20 discount as soon as you've sent at least £100 with Worldremit. Okay, so guys, that's everything. Again, thank you very much for watching my video, and please give us a thumbs up or leave a comment in the comments box below. Okay, have a nice day.